goodness. You see that, Dad? I ripped it wide open. Hold on. Okay. Alright, been called out by Mon to do the ice water challenge for the ALS charity, and Mon, I accept your challenge. I'm gonna stand in a bucket full of ice water too, on top of Sean pouring this on me. Huh? Oh, I call out Kenneth Robles and Chai Kilala. Yeah, 24 hours. That's fucking. Woo!
Something happened to it.
Yeah. 24 hours. Get it done.